welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday as I film this, and it's actually the Tuesday after the coronation. I thought I would do a little day in the life. It's been a while since I've done a day in the life. A lot of the time I try to do weekly vlogs or weekend vlogs, but I thought I would just share a bit of my day with you. I've already been to work once. It was just too early for me to even function and think about filming, but I had a cup of tea, went to work. I've just got home. The dog wants to play fetch. And I am just cooking a omelette in the, I was going to say slow cooker, it's not a slow cooker. This is what my mind's like today. It was in the air fryer. I used to do it all the time where I lived before, when I had my own air fryer, and I've been putting it off a little bit because Mum's air fryer is completely different to mine. So I kind of use the excuse that I don't know how to use it, but I really want to try and eat better and eat healthier in sort of a cooking way. I don't use a deep fat fryer. I never have done. I don't like how it tastes when it comes out of that, but I do tend to eat a lot of convenient foods and things like that. Obviously, like if I have KFC or anything like that, then granted that comes out of a deep fat fryer, but in terms of like chips done here, it's oven, or it used to be air fryer, which I'm hoping to get back into, as I say. So yes, I'm hoping to try and eat a bit better. I need to drink more water. I feel really dehydrated today, actually. Like, today's the first day that I've really felt it in a long time. I've just got like an unquenchable thirst. You saying hello, are you? You saying hello? You're sad, aren't you? Because Grandad won't let you in the garden. You'll be allowed out there soon. It's just because they got all the gates. Okay. Where are you going? Oh, you're just sitting there. Oh, okay. It's because they got all the gates open. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for that to finish cooking, and then see where the rest of the day takes me. But yeah, she wants to play, and I've promised her playtime after I've eaten, so she's putting all the toys out in readiness. The finished look. A lovely, quite like thick and fluffy omelette and some rocket on the side.
I'm looking out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone.
Stuck down a little rabbit warren of shopping. I needed to get a few bits. Who's messaging me? Sheen, funny enough. I wanted to get a few bits from Boots, so I've done an online order on that. Also, excuse this is really sore. I'm hoping it clears up soon because yeah, it's quite painful. Yeah, I wanted to get a couple of bits. I wanted to get some more moisturiser, some SPF and a couple of other bits, so I will show those probably in another video when they arrive. And I've also just placed a little bit of an order to Shein. I'm really into wearing dresses at the minute, although it's not the weather today for dresses because it is tipping it down despite the fact it's the middle of May. So I'm now not too sure if we're really going to have a summer, but I'll probably be wearing them with tights if not. But yeah, so I've ordered a few bits and pieces from there, some clothing and some other items. So I'll probably just put it all in like one summertime haul. So yeah, that is what I've been doing, and I've also written my to-do list. So I've got quite a few bits to do with content. I've done the first thing, I've scheduled my promo tweets. I managed to take one thing off my list. I've got some people I need to reply to. I need to schedule my advertiser content for my blog because I host advertisers on there, so they get so much of a promotion and they get links back to their blog and things like that, and it all helps. So I need to get that finalised. I also need to double check because I had an email to say there was some new content assignments working with brands and things, so I need to check if there's anything suitable and apply for them. I've also got emails coming through like nobody's business, which I need to go through, delete the ones that aren't applicable to me. There's a lot of spam coming through at the minute, and I feel like somebody keeps signing me up for stuff. Like I swear there is somebody that just signs me up for the most random newsletters, so I need to sort that out as well. And I've got a couple bits I need to print off from emails, like tickets and things. I still need to post on Instagram. That's usually like my early morning thing, but I just didn't get around to doing it this morning. I've got a video to edit, a blog post to write, and then once I've done all that, I'm going to reward myself by doing my eyebrows, foot mask, face mask, and painting my nails, which look a bit yucky at the minute. I've been going back to the Rimmel Super Gel. This is in the shade 32 Cocktail Passion, but I have been using as the base and top coat the earthy nail polish as well, but I flick between those two because they're both open now and I kind of don't want to waste them. So yeah, that is what I need to do. I've also sold quite a few bits on eBay, so I need to package those up and get those sent off as well. So yeah, it's turning into a productive day, but right now I'm gonna go on my laptop and try and buzz through everything that I can as quickly as I can. You're right, my boo. Right, my boo. I have been joined by my little bubby because we're in the middle of a massive thunderstorm, which is not great because I don't like thunder and lightning, and neither does she. Hence why she's all tucked up in my... It's alright. It's alright, my boo. Hence why she's tucked up in my duvet, just to try and make her feel a little bit better. Hopefully she'll fall asleep in a minute. The eyes are going. So yeah, I've done all the promotional stuff I need to do. I'm just finalising the bits for my advertiser. I had an email from work which I need to phone them in a minute because I don't quite know what's happening. But yeah. So that is that, and I've got about 2 hours until I need to leave for work, so fingers crossed this thunder stops by then, because I ain't going out in it. Not if you paid me £1 million would I be going out in that. It is now 10 to 5 and I'm slightly behind on getting ready for work. I need to put my uniform on in a minute, but obviously I don't want you to know who I work for. I normally wear a full face of makeup to work. However, the last week or so, I felt confident enough to go in without makeup, and you know what? I think today is going to be one of those days. So no makeup it is, and at least I can let my skin and whatever this is do its thing a little bit better. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara, a bit of eyeliner probably, and that'll be about it. I've literally, as per usual with me, I don't know what it is, I get so distracted, but for the last... What are you trying to do? Be careful. Sit up here for a minute. Yeah, we'll go toilets in a minute, Pooch. It's still raining at the minute, so you won't go out. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so I don't know what it is with me, but whenever I write a to-do list, I start off really well tackling said to-do list, and then partway through I get distracted by something that's also productive, but isn't what I set out to do today. So for the last hour-ish, I have been creating thumbnails for videos that I've already got uploaded on this channel, because I used to do it and I used to like doing it, and it used to just take me so long. But yeah, I've literally done about 25-30 in that time. Why are you turning your feet? 25-30 in that time, so I'm feeling good about that. But it does mean that when I get back, I need to continue with the to-do list, which is slightly sad because I was hoping to have a little bit of a relax, because I'm not going to get home. I'll be back. Go on then, if you're going out. She's just going to stand in the doorway now. But yeah, I'll be back in about 3 to 4 hours, so I need to... What are you doing? Oh, you're having a stretch, okay. I kind of just wanted to relax a bit and then get an early night, but that's not going to happen. The other thing I suppose I could do is get up extra early tomorrow to finish some of the to-do list. I'm really struggling in motivation and stuff. I've tried time blocking and things, but I just get so distracted. So if you've got any tips, then please let me know, because yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I'm now... Just barge me out the way, dog, it's fine. I don't know if it's now because I'm back home here, so I'm working from my bed essentially, whereas beforehand any blog work that I did, I could do in my own office, which was a lot more productive. I could set myself up in there for the day, have no distractions, you know, it was easy. So I don't know if maybe that's it, and maybe I need to go and sit downstairs at the computer desk, but that has its own distractions because the TV's there, the food's there, and the family are there, so they're forever talking in my ear. So I don't know what to do about that, but never mind. I'm also going to try, although hopefully you will have already seen a couple of videos before this one in which I try it, but I'm hoping to try maybe tonight to edit some of the videos using a different app. So I don't know what the quality is going to be like, but I'm going to try it and see, because the editing software that I use at the minute for some reason has switched it so it's not quite YouTube size and it doesn't want to change it. So yeah, it's a bit of a pain. So I'm hoping that the new way I'm going to do it, hopefully fingers crossed, won't take as long either. But we shall see. Right, anyway, enough chatting. Time to put my deodorant on, put my makeup on, the little bit that I'm going to put on, get my pass, must not forget my pass, and yeah, head to work. So I'll see you when I get home.
This is Israel, Noah Karam with Unicorn.